Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by checking that touch input is clean and responsive. This prevents misfires. Start with the home indicator and the screen edges. These are your primary gesture zones. Once done, practice a single swipe up from the bottom to return home and a slow swipe from left or right edge to go back or open apps. Make sure to keep movements deliberate and smooth. That's why you test once before chaining gestures together. You'll now combine gestures to navigate faster. Swipe up and hold to enter the app switcher, then drag between app cards to switch. Next, practice multi-finger input. Pinch to zoom and spread to zoom out, because precise finger spacing changes scale control. Once comfortable, add 2- and 3-finger gestures for Safari and text selection as needed. These reduce taps and speed workflows. Keep trying until muscle memory forms and gradually increase speed while maintaining accuracy. You'll wrap up by combining what you learned into a short routine. Open an app, switch with the app switcher, then use a pinch to adjust view. Repeat until fluent. If gestures misbehave, restart the phone and recheck accessibility settings. This often resets responsiveness. Make sure the screen is clean and the case isn't interfering, because physical obstructions cause most failures. If trouble persists, enable assistive touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.